Welcome to Cookin with Bobbi Jo. Chastity here with another drool-worthy human treat. Today I'm making a low-carb dish. This is garlic pork chops and it's going to be in a creamy mushroom sauce. So first I'm heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in my cast iron skillet. And for this recipe you're going to need 4 pork chops. Mine have the bone in, but you can buy boneless for this recipe too. Over here I have about 1.5 to 2 cups of mushrooms I've sliced up. And I will use a tablespoon of roasted minced garlic. In this little cast iron skillet, I have 2 tablespoons of butter. This is my Italian seasoning I made from the herbs I dried from my garden. Then we have some smoked paprika, and I love this stuff. This stuff is so good. We were out at the store. They finally got some more in stock. Garlic powder, parsley flakes, salt and pepper. You're going to need a half a cup of chicken broth and 1.5 cups of heavy cream. In this little bowl, I'm putting 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm going to mix it all together. Go ahead and add the butter to the skillet so the butter can melt. Then I'm going to use this to coat the pork chops with. So you want to make sure you coat all sides of the pork chops. The oil should be heated by now, so you want to place the pork chops in that hot skillet. Sear the pork chops for about 3 to 5 minutes per side. Then you want to put them in a plate and set it aside. Using the same skillet, you want to add the mushrooms and cook those 3 to 4 minutes. You want to scrape the skillet good to remove any bits of pork chop. Then add in your roasted garlic, parsley, and Italian seasoning, and mix all that together with the mushrooms. Then add in the broth and cream. I'm going to stir everything together really good and then simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes until it's slightly thickened. And at this point, you can give it a taste to make sure the seasoning's okay. If it needs more seasoning, go ahead and add it now. Place the pork chops back in and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. And you can garnish it with parsley flakes. You can serve it with cauliflower potatoes, cauliflower rice, zucchini noodles, whatever you prefer. And there you have it, a quick, drool-worthy, low-carb meal that is sure to make your taste buds dance. This stuff is delicious. Thanks so much for watching. I will be doing a live cook on Saturday morning. It's going to be a dog treat since we celebrated Nolan's 5th birthday this week, and he's going to be in the kitchen with us. If you're up early and you have nothing else to do, drop by and say hi. Don't forget to subscribe for more do-it-yourself projects, bird videos, gardening, and drool-worthy human and doggy treats. Y'all have a blessed day.